so we are out 4-bying through the Bighorn National Forest. Trying to keep the camera steady as I can, but you know, it's a little rough here. We've been camping up here for the weekend with my daughter, her significant other, and a bunch of kids. And we had a little bit of cell signal. Actually, gonna have to do text messages once in a while. Check the dirt on my face. Okay, so we were out camping here all weekend, and we are with my daughter, her significant other, a few kids, and so we did manage to actually have a little bit of cell signal at our campsite, which was kind of amazing. We're way out in the mountains, so we're just exploring a little before heading home today to see if we can find anyone that has a better signal where we can come and stay for a week or two and work. We have some real heat coming to the area, and I'm just walking a trail right now. There's two paths on this primitive forest road, and they're both kind of rough, so I'm just walking it to make sure it's the best option. Melanie's driving the van up behind me, but it looks a little sketchy here. Okay, so anyway, I'm back in the van. We're continuing along. Hopefully this road takes us away. It looks like this road might go somewhere that might give us signal based on some research we've done. The catch is it's pretty rough so far. And the part of it we thought we saw before from another road was not this rough. So who the heck knows? Maybe we'll find something, maybe we won't. But hope you enjoy some of this footage. You can get the drone up a few times. We were out exploring. So anyway, hopefully we can get through and find a place that'll be a good campsite for us to come back to later on. Because like I said, it's supposed to be really, really hot the next week or two here. And getting back up into the mountains at high elevation would be a welcome retreat. And again, if you're new to the channel, I am a digital nomad. I work remotely online. I just need electricity and internet. And Melanie is also a digital nomad and works online. It just needs electricity and internet. So if we can get out and get some camping and work at the same time, it's a win-win for us. So we like to find places where we can do that. We're going to continue on through the forest here and see if we can find a spot that'll work for us to come back up to later this week. Melanie just asked, do you think the bikes are still in the back? And looks like everything is still good so far. We'll have to check these and make sure everything's resecured before we get back on the pavement in a little bit. This is supposed to be a 4-bike rack. This is 3 bikes, and it's engineering feat getting them on. All right, so we've been out exploring all kinds of roads, and we did not find anything any better than what we were. So like I said earlier, we just need to be, as digital nomads, we need to be mindful of internet and electricity if we want to be able to work as we're traveling. And so sometimes we need to do that. Sometimes, like this past weekend, we're just going out for a weekend and it doesn't really matter, just out to have fun. But if we want to go for a week or two and to escape high temperatures in the valleys, we got to make sure we find places with good sun exposure for solar and good internet coverage for work. And we didn't find it that day, but what we did find was a lot of real nice, beautiful scenes and some fun, adventurous roads. So we're going to pick some tree limbs out of the roof racks, make sure the bikes are still attached, and then we're going to start heading back towards our home base for the summer. Melanie did find a couple of other interesting BLM spots that may or may not provide results for us. We're going to check those out on our way through. If they're interesting, you'll see them in a future video. If not, well, you may not see them. Thanks for joining us this video, everybody. We'll catch you in the next one.